Morning, students. Today we are reading the lesson The Fun They Had, and the writer of this is Isaac Asimov from Beehive. So we are previous read about the schools and about the virtual classroom they are having. So Margie is very excited to know about the schools which are we are having now. So she is telling that they had a teacher, it was a man. She was surprised to know that they having the teachers that was a man, because she is having a computer as a teacher. Okay, so in this chapter we will continue. Sure, they had a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher, it was a man. Means regular means what? They are having a Monday to Friday at the same time the teacher come to attending on the computer screen. But we are having a man that is coming from the different place to teach. Okay, a man, how could a man be a teacher? Well, he just told the boys and girls things, gave them homework and asked them questions. So in the schools, all boys and girls, they come from the different places and we all having same homework and ask them questions. A man is not smart enough. Is it smart enough? He will be giving all the answers to their questions what the schools going school बॉयज़ एंड गर्ल्स आस्क. कोई भी क्वेश्चंस जो भी पुट करते हैं स्मार्टली जो है आंसर दे देते हैं. श्योर ही इज़, हाँ जी श्योर देते हैं. माई फादर नो एज मच एज माई टीचर, ही नोज ऑलमोस्ट एज मच. आई बैटचा, बैटचा मीन्स आई एम श्योर, बैटचा मीन्स आई एम sure. Okay, Margie was not prepared to dispute means disagree. Okay, dispute means disagree. That she said, I will not want a strange man in my house to teach me. She was telling that no, I don't want anyone man will come to my house and he will teach me. So she was not agree with that. Tommy screamed means cried with a laughter, with जोर से जो हंसा और चिल्लाया. You don't know much, Margie. तुम्हें ज़्यादा नहीं पता. The teacher did not live in the house. They had a special building and the old kids went there. And he told to Margie that, Margie को बताया कि what? They having a special building. They are not coming to your house for teaching you. No, not like this. They having a special building that's called school, and the kids from the different area they come to school, and all the kids learn the same things. Sure, if they were the same age, means having the same age they will learning the same thing like they having the class. Okay, but my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girls it teaches, and that each kid has to be taught differently. But mothers tell me that the teacher will be adjusted according to the boys and girls age. Okay, so क्योंकि in the computer, as you know, Margie having the fault in her computer, so it adjusted according to her age. So same thing here, just the same, they did not do it that way. Then if you don't like it, you don't have to read the books. Okay, I did not say I did not like it. नहीं मैंने कहा और मुझे पसंद भी नहीं है. Margie quickly she wanted to read about those funny books. Now she was interested to learn that. She was telling that school is funny. Okay, means they are having what a funny schools they are having. They were not even half finished when Margie's mother called. Margie school, they are talking Tommy and Margie. Now her mother called her, Margie, your school started. Margie looked up. Not yet, Mama. Abhi nahi, Mummy. Now said Mrs. Jones, and it's probably time for Tommy too. Now both of you are having the classes. Margie said to Tommy, can I read the book some more with you after school? I want to read this book again after completing my school, after I having the school. मतलब आज क्लास लेने के बाद I will want to read this book. Maybe he said nonchalantly, means he was not unwillingly, he was not Unwillingly, he said, okay, read it. Okay. He walked away whistling. Whistling means making a sound. Okay. Whistling means making sound. The dusty old book tucked. Tucked means put under his arm. Okay. So beneath his arms. He put that book beneath his arm. Margie went into the schoolroom. It was right next to her bedroom. And where is her classroom? Just bed next to her bedroom. And the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. That is a mechanical teacher, okay, and waiting for her. It was always on at the same time every day. Same time he will be present on the computer of Margie and Tommy. Except Saturday and Sunday they are having the holiday. Okay. Because her mother said little girl learn better if they learn at regular hour. If she is giving time to her classes regular hours, she will learn better. Okay, अगर timely अगर वो देगी तो अच्छा पढ़ेगी. The screen was light up and it said today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fraction. So today what she is learning about the arithmetic lesson. So please insert yesterday's homework in the paper slot. Her teacher wants the homework was given to her. So first he asked her to put that homework in that slot. Margie did so with a shy means she is taking a deep breath. Okay. She was thinking about the old school they had when her grandfather was a little boy. So her classes is going on, but she was not physically she is present in the class, but her mind was in that previous schools means उसके दादा परदादा का जो 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 लिटिल बॉय थे दे कम टू द स्कूल शी वॉज थिंकिंग ऑफ दैट स्कूल all the kids from the whole neighborhood came laughing shouting in the schoolyard sitting together in the schoolroom going home together at the end of the day. What they do? They all come from the nearest place and come to the school. What they do? They're laughing, shouting, enjoy in the schoolyard and sitting in the classroom together. If they are having any problem, they can come out of that problem by asking and discussion. So they learn the same thing so they could help one another with the homework and talk about it. Whatever the homework was given, they just talk about it. Okay. And the teachers were people, and teachers are who are we people, but Margie and Tommy are having what that teachers are what mechanical teacher. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen because her class is going on. Mechanical teacher was telling her to add 1 by 2 and 1 by 4, but she was thinking about all the old schools we are having. Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. So in this her classes is going on and she was thinking about the previous schools that we are having and what the fun they are having. They are having the lot of funs. Okay. And this was the lesson that was written by the Isaac Asimov, and I think you have enjoyed it. Thank you.